Hello everybody, David Miazga with David Miazga Racing, Downfield Racing, the Budget Pro, my channel. Yeah, there's lots of water out here today. Anyhow, just a quick update. I'm just getting the jig, just finished grinding the rails here, and then my bars here too, and now I'm just squaring things up. I'm making sure that I'm doing right now I'm just checking the diamond. These bars at the end are set. That's where they're going to be. That's why they got C-clamps on them. So what I'm doing now is checking from corner to corner to make sure this thing's not diamond. This is my makeshift point. I centered it on the rail, and I'll measure it from the outside here, which simulates the outside of this rail. I had it on this side before. I was at 193 3/8 from corner to corner to the magnet, in the center of the magnet. And then this one here, I should be approximately the same thing right there, within a 1/16. I'm using a good Stanley Fat Max 35 foot tape measure. Get yourselves a good tape measure. You need it. So, first of all, we'll just stand over there. And maybe pull tight with it. So the outside of the magnet, we had 100 and, oops, so I got 193 and 3/8 in this corner. And I already measured this one here, so we're not diamond any longer. We're not diamond. So we're square this way. So that means now that I'll cinch up this, come along here, that belt there, tighten everything down here, and I'll put my crossbars in here now. We'll get them where they need to go, and then we'll start welding everything together. Alright? Next video, hopefully everything will be on the ground. Oh, one thing more. Step back here. These are the wheels I'll be using. I bought a set of 4 off Amazon. Each wheel is supposed to somewhere between 650 and 700 pounds a piece. The kit claims it's good for 2,800 pounds. So I'll have 2 back here, 2 in the front, and I'll get another set so I have wheels in the center. And basically these will be on the bottom of here. I'll have a screw, a big bolt, and a nut in here for adjusting height. And then what I'm going to do is have this, oops, see, if this is the floor, I'm going to have, I'll have a plate. I'm going to weld, I'll have a triangulated plate here, so gusseted here. I'll probably, and so it'll be contact here, and then it'll come up the sides here, or like this, I guess. This would be better. And then this will be flush, and then the nut will push. We'll just push the wheel just off the ground, so it'll be like that. Right, and then when you lower the nut down, then the wheel will be on the ground. and then you can retract it slightly, so all the pressure will be on the wheels. So yeah, I'll just have it on the side. Make it probably like that. I'll build a bracket so I can have it turn 180 degrees if I move it. So if I have it like this too tight, then I can't turn it in. So this is the way we'll do it. I just need to put enough pressure on here just so it rolls. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this update. This is Dave Mazga of Dave Mazga Racing, Battlefield Racing, a Budget Pro Mod channel. Peace out.